just left Mandeville in Spur Tree. See the roads. Spur Tree. On my way to go see my uncle. He's in St. Elizabeth. We're almost there right now. I haven't seen him, I think, like 30 plus years. I haven't seen him. So we're going down there to see him right now. Yo, I can literally feel the car in my back a while ago. All right, guys, so we're gonna get some food. All right. Yeah. All right, guys. We're on our way to St. Elizabeth right now. What kind of food is this? No, it's okay. Pork? Yeah. This is goat liver? No, I ordered pork. I never even heard of goat liver. Yeah. You guys ever heard of?
I ain't gonna drink soup. What? I'm gonna give you something to drink here.
Sure.
I drink Pepsi, I drink flavored scotch, I drink food, what you want to drink.
Pepsi is good. Thanks. Yeah, guys, so you ever heard of goat liver? I've never heard of that before. Goat liver to eat. These are the strange things you find when you're in country. Thanks. Huh? No, not right now. Thank you. Yeah, so a lot of people pulling up. I don't know exactly where we are right now. I would tell you guys where to stop, but hold up. Let me check on the phone. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where we are right now. I'll tell you exactly where we are. So we're in I don't know, it says we're close to the Lambada's restaurant and bar. That's what it say we're close to. Lambada's restaurant and bar. I guess that's what this is called. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted along the way. You know the food is gonna be good when they're making it using like wood and those things. We're on our way to gonna meet my uncle, and then we might go to Wise Falls. Hey, there's some guys. Where are you guys going? Mandeville? Oh, we passed. We're going to Wise Falls. Yeah, so probably like a next hour. Yeah, check out my YouTube channel. Yeah, my channel, it's Versace Data. Yeah, VER. Type it in right now. Yeah, nice car. Do you know what right here is called? This area? So VER Z VERZ. What is it again? VERZACE and then DADA.
Can I say hi to the vlog?
Sure, go ahead.
Hi!
So tell them where you guys are headed.
We're heading to Mandeville.
Mandeville, awesome. What are you guys gonna do in Mandeville?
We're going to do a shopping.
Oh, shopping. Awesome. All right, what's your name?
Shania, I'm Shania.
Oh, Shania. Nice name. Shaim. Awesome. So Shania and Shaim. So you guys have any YouTube channel or?
Oh, you can go on my TikTok and follow me at DNVinoya.
Say it again.
DNVinoya.
Spell it.
THEYENVY__NOYE.
Awesome. All right, thank you. So guys, check them out on TikTok. All right. Yeah, this food was really good. There was music in the background, so that's why I had to just do the voiceover. And they own both business, the restaurant and the bar. Food to me tastes different in country. I don't know. Maybe because they cook it outside, or I don't know what it is. But I had pork with food, yam, banana, really nice. This is before we reach YS Falls. Yeah, there's my uncle in the background. Yeah, so So yeah, we made it, guys. We made it to YS Falls. We made it to YS Falls. It's a long drive, so just be prepared. Don't be in a rush as well. Don't be in a rush. It's a good drive though. Make sure you leave out early because this place doesn't open very late, which is understandable. Yeah. You see there's a lot of tourists here. A lot of buses. So yeah, I was nervous to drive all the way down here, but I'm grateful that we made it okay. So I'm just gonna pay to go in and then change and go enjoy the facilities. Yeah. Oh, they have horses here too. Okay. Oh. So this is when we reached YS Falls. We're in there. They said it rained 2 days before, so the water was very brown. So that's why you find a lot of people was in the pool area. Yeah, the natural water was brown, so I wasn't gonna go into that. Maybe next time we go, we'll be able to get to enjoy the water. But the pool was pretty good too. I enjoyed the pool. Yeah, guys, we're leaving YS Falls now. We had to stay at this part today because it was raining, and because of, they said the falls, there was rain 2 days ago, so the water is very brown. You can't see it from here, but the water is very brown, so I wouldn't want to go in water that looks dirty. So yeah. So we're gonna go into town now and get some shrimp and some shrimp soup. Here's a gift shop right here. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the washroom real quick. There's a gift shop. Bala. He wasn't wearing no shirt. So it looked like he wasn't going far.
No, I want past them and
Oh. The shrimp was really good. Spicy. So what is this street called? Middle Quarters, guys. When you're in St. Elizabeth, you're on Middle Quarters. Make sure you stop at this lady right here. Yes. This is our family. We want all the money to go to this lady, all the support. You see where she is? You can't miss her. She's right next to the White House. The White House is on the right. She's gonna be on the left. I want you guys. Tell them your name.
Perlita Smith.
Perlita Smith. So when you guys come, ask for Perlita Smith. You're in Middle Quarters. You want some shrimp? Shrimp's country. Yeah. Only thing is missing right now is the shrimp soup. Down the road. Is it in that pot right there? Oh. Yeah. You ever heard of shrimp soup? Soup and yeah, I know shrimp soup. I never heard of it until he told me. Last year is the first time I heard of shrimp soup. Yeah. No, I want the shrimp. You can't get all that in Kingston.
You can't get that run on you.
Yeah. You know, if you buy shrimp soup, that's her stuff. They went to school together. Oh. I want you guys to support this lady right here. When you come, this is the lady I want you guys to come to. It's our family member. And you see the lady's a trying lady. It's still hot the sun is and she's out here. This house is nice though. Oof. Middle Quarter, St. Elizabeth.
You know, we see one night mango data. Because you are Wilford.
Yes, that I prefer this one. Yeah, man, this is a gem name.
See Bongo show here. Bongo there.
Oh, all right.
All right.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
All right, my cousin.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Uncle's excited. He's back in his hometown. This is where him and my dad grew up, on the same street. Yeah. They grew up together, played here. You know. Here's another uncle. So this particular uncle, I haven't seen him in probably almost 40 years. Yeah.
How are this, Baldan? Same one, dad.
I say why?
There, man. Full of color.
You see it.
All right. Get your callaloo, guys. Middle Quarters.
Banzi son.
Yes,
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Marshall.
What's up?
I'm Big Son.
Nice to meet you.
We're Palo Banjas.
This is our Uncle Tony.
Yeah.
Who is
Everything
this
nice.
one?
I'm a granny.
Oh.
Your family. I am daughter.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'm a daughter. Grandparents, your family is here.
Yeah.
A Barnesville son.
She's not gonna know me.
You know, I'm not gonna know him.
Yeah.
Maybe you could have know chicken, because chicken come already.
Yeah.
Your wife.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, yes, man. Your wife.
Yo!
We have the family.
Yeah. Almost
Yeah, wait for you.
30 plus years.
Yeah, man.
You look good, man.
Yeah, the little one is a favorite baby there. You look a dark face one. A long time no see her, you know.
Family reunion, guys.
Yes, man. If you a baby, you're fat. If you want to see her, I'm not going to balance. So me a
So you guys live up here?
Yeah, man. We left town and I come home now.
Town is too hectic.
We are town for me, I look up boy. I know me that I get night, don't I get street to me now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are town so long.
Okay, I understand.
I'm a young days, yeah. So it's nice, I know, for me, I know.
Yeah, you can chill with the grandkids.
Yeah, come by here. See when I told him already, man.
Alberti, Mr.
Yeah, but we pass you more, man. You don't run up you.
You come on Sunday, you come for movie Sunday. You know,
Wow. And hurry up and move this car from
think
here.
easy.
So the sun is just following.
Machine roll, I did it. Fuck, road killer. Where are the country?
Alright guys, we're gonna see the famous shrimp soup in middle quarters. What's the name of your business?
UJ Auntie One Stop.
So when you guys come here and you want the shrimp soup, this is the lady you're gonna come to. This is what it looks like. Real shrimp soup. Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell you right now. Wow guys, look at this. Wow. Wow. But wait, you
These
should.
are crayfish.
Oh. So they're not as meaty as the other one.
You have to pull them apart and by the time you pull them
There's
apart,
nothing left.
the shrimp soon come out of here.
Yeah. These ones require a little bit more work. That's what they're telling me. But this tastes amazing. Wanna try this? It's kinda hot still, tastes good. Tastes good. This is the famous shrimp soup, Mega Corridor, St. Elizabeth. I'm gonna show you guys where we are. So when you come, me personally though, I prefer the meaty shrimp. I can't bother with fighting these big ones. But this is the business right here. UJ Auntie One Shop. One stop. Right here. Here in the background, she's no nonsense. Yeah guys, right here, middle quarter, St. Elizabeth, right beside Big's Hotspot. Yeah, it's hot outside, but you can't come to middle quarters without trying the shrimp soup. You gotta try the shrimp soup. The sun is kind of confused though. 1 minute it's in, 1 minute it's out. Can't come to middle quarters without the shrimp soup. It's good, but it's hot. You guys all look alike. You can tell you're related, but he looks more like Pretty. Yeah. You have his height. Yeah. Pretty, you gotta come to Jamaica, man. You gotta come to Jamaica. So yeah, guys. Yeah. He stays down here? No, I mean like where does he stay? No, I'm saying where does he stay? Does he stay here? Same ill?
No man, pretty live back in Santa.
Oh.
They come up as purchase.
Oh. You just took the original house. I've been there one time when I was young. You remember?
Yeah, man,
I think 1999. Me and my sister came.
Yeah, it was right.
Yeah, Dad sent both of us to come.
Yes, man.
You remember? I think your son is who brought us. Your son, man. Ronnie.
Yeah, man.
He took the bus with us when we were younger. I remember. That we slept over.
Remember, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ronnie them come down.
I was young those times. I was in school. Memory lane, guys. Ronnie.